Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to turn off low data mode on iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first one to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your iPhone. Then scroll down, locate and click on cellular. Once you selected cellular, if you have your cellular turned on, then go ahead and click on cellular data options. Then locate data mode, click on that. If low data mode is enabled here, go ahead and set this to either standard or allow more data on 5G. This depends on your choice. So to turn off low data mode, choose standard or allow data mode or allow more data on 5G. Now for WAV file, if you are using WAV file on your iPhone, all you need to do is go ahead and click on WAV file on the settings page. Click on the information icon on the WAV file. If low data mode is enabled, just go ahead and disable this to turn off low data mode on WAV file on your iPhone, and that's it. So that is exactly how to disable or turn off low data mode on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.